With this homemade trick, nothing will be dirty. And best of all, you can do it in a few minutes and from the comfort of your home. We will start with the preparation of our cleaning solution. In a suitable container, we will pour a can of soda into a plastic glass. Next, we will add a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate and add toothpaste, making sure to mix until a perfect homogeneity is achieved. This compound, as it is well amalgamated, maximizes its effectiveness due to the cleaning properties of bicarbonate and soda, complemented by the cleaning agents present in the toothpaste. Once the solution is prepared, we will carefully transfer it to a plastic container, using a funnel to avoid spills and facilitate the handling of the liquid during application. Next, we will install an atomizer in the container to allow a controlled and uniform application of the cleaner. The next step involves the practical application of our mixture. We will start by sprinkling the solution on the dirty surface, making sure to completely cover all affected areas. Subsequently, using a soft cloth or a sponge, we will proceed to rub gently to remove the embedded dirt. This process not only eliminates visible impurities, but also helps restore the original shine of the treated surface. Once the cleaning is complete, we will rinse with clean water to remove any remaining residue from the cleaner. This final step ensures that the surface is impeccable and free of any residual product. This same procedure can be successfully applied to clean bathrooms, showcases, or other surfaces that require special care. The combination of selected ingredients and detailed methodology ensure consistent and satisfactory results in each application, quickly transforming dirty surfaces into new conditions. In summary, this method not only stands out for its effectiveness, but also for its practicality and efficiency, allowing you to perform cleaning tasks quickly and effectively on different types of surfaces with remarkable results. Using common ingredients and simple but effective techniques, the method is not only friendly to the environment by avoiding the excessive use of aggressive chemical products, but is also economical in reducing the need for specialized products.
Especializados.